Hello. So, good evening. Aral natin yung Department of Labor and Employment Policy Regulation. Ito yung nagmamanage. So, ito yung structure ng buong bansa. When we talk about the function of labor of Department of Labor and Employment, meron siyang policy regulation. Ang arm niya dyan is itong Occupational Health and Safety Center. Ito yung Technical Services Research and Training. Ito yung nagpapatupad ng program, training materials, etc. Tapos meron tayong Bureau of Working Condition, policy formulation ang meron dyan. Meron din tayong Employees Compensation Commission, ECC. Ito yung compensation or rehabilitation ng mga employee na accident sa work-related accident. Tapos under the BWC or Bureau of Working Conditions, dito yung DOLE Regional Offices, at saka siya yung nag-enforce, no? At saka nag-implement itong mga policies na to. Nahati yan sa tatlo cluster: Luzon Cluster, Visayas Cluster, at saka Mindanao Cluster. Sa Luzon Cluster, meron kang CAR, ECR 2, 3, at saka 4A and B. Sa Visayas Cluster naman, Region 5, 6, 7, 8, at saka Caraga. Tapos yung Mindanao Cluster na dyan, yung Region 9, 10, 11, at saka 12. So yun lang. Bye.